Welcome to this tutorial about the one-click trading feature in VertexFX mobile application. Start by setting your preferred trade parameters. From the drawer menu, go to Settings. Enable the one-click trading feature and set your default trading amount or lot size. Also enable chart trading. Now that we are set, we can start exploring the one-click trading feature. It can be executed from the Quotes tab by simply clicking on Buy or Sell, just like that. I have opened a buy position on AUD to USD. You can click on the chart diagram to view your trades activity on the chart, where you can execute trades using one-click trading feature as well. VertexFX one-click trading is a powerful tool for traders to improve their trading speed and efficiency, also reducing the potential for errors and delays in the trading process. Don't hesitate and start trading on the go using VertexFX Mobile Trader.